Did you know that your dog experiences the world in a completely different way than you? They can perceive invisible colors, hear sounds we can't detect, smell scents we can't imagine, and even sense things that seem from another planet. Today, we are going to reveal the 14 most incredible abilities of dogs, which could easily come straight out of a superhero movie, but are completely real and backed by science. This is not just another random internet video, and number 13 will change the way you understand your best friend. Let's dive in. Number 1, dogs can see ultraviolet light. While we humans perceive the world in a spectrum of colors ranging from red to violet, dogs have the unique ability to see ultraviolet light. This allows them to detect patterns and details invisible to us, such as hunting marks on animals or certain types of flowers. Imagine being able to spot hidden prey or flowers that are completely invisible to us. Studies indicate that this enhanced vision may be essential for hunting dogs and search and rescue dogs, aiding in locating prey or people in complex environments. Have you ever imagined what it's like to see the world through your dog's eyes? Think about the vibrant colors and details you're missing. Share in the comments if you've ever noticed something like this with your dog. Number 2, super night vision. Although dogs can't see in the dark as well as cats, they have significantly better night vision than humans. This is due to a higher number of rod cells in their eyes, which are responsible for vision in low light. Additionally, dogs have a special reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light passing through the retina, increasing the amount of light available to their photoreceptor cells. This adaptation allows them to move with ease at night, making them excellent companions for nocturnal activities. Have you noticed how they seem less afraid and more agile in the dark? It's almost like they have X-ray vision when the lights go down. Number 3, wider field of vision. Dogs have a field of vision that is about 20 degrees wider than that of humans, enabling them to monitor a larger area without constantly moving their heads. This enhanced perception of their surroundings helps them detect motion and potential threats, making them more vigilant. Moreover, the placement of their eyes on their heads contributes to this expanded field of vision, allowing them to observe more without moving their heads. Studies show that this broader field of vision aids in coordination during activities like running and playing, reducing the need for constant directional adjustments. Imagine all the things your dog notices around you that you can't. Number 4, detecting subtle movements. Dogs have an extraordinary sensitivity to subtle movements, even those outside our field of vision. This is crucial for hunting and territory protection, enabling them to spot the slightest motion, such as a leaf blowing in the wind. Research suggests that this ability is linked to a combination of enhanced vision and acute sensory perception, making them constant sentinels. Have you ever noticed how your dog seems always alert to the environment, even while resting? It's like they have a sixth sense for detecting any change around them. Number 5, limited color vision. While it may seem like a disadvantage, a dog's limited color vision actually helps them focus better on movements and contrasts in their surroundings. They primarily see shades of blue and yellow and can distinguish different levels of gray. This adaptive vision makes them more effective at detecting fast movements and navigating complex environments where color discrimination isn't as crucial. Studies suggest that this focused vision allows dogs to concentrate on essential stimuli, like moving prey or potential threats, without being distracted by less relevant colors. Maybe that's why they are so good at tracking fast-moving objects during playtime. Number 6, heat sensitivity. Some dogs have the ability to detect heat variations in their environment, a kind of thermal vision. This helps them locate hidden prey or people in emergency situations, such as during search and rescue operations. This skill also aids them in adapting to various climates, keeping them comfortable and active. Research indicates that specialized structures in a dog's retina detect heat emissions, enabling them to identify heat sources even in low visibility conditions. Number 7, hearing high frequencies. A dog's hearing far surpasses our own. While the human hearing range tops out at about 20,000 hertz, dogs can hear up to 40,000 hertz, or even higher. This ability allows them to pick up sounds completely inaudible to us, such as a trainer's whistle or faint noises in nature. Additionally, this keen hearing is essential for detecting imminent dangers, like storms or intruders. Studies show that the more complex structure of a dog's inner ear enables them to process these frequencies more efficiently. Have you ever wondered how dogs react so quickly to sounds you don't even notice? It's like they have sensory antennas always on alert. Are you enjoying the video? Is it helping you in any way? If so, I kindly ask for your help in spreading the word about our beloved furry friends. How? By subscribing to the channel, leaving a thumbs up on the video, and commenting if you've noticed any of these traits in your dog. Every action you take matters, just like every bit of care you give to your best friend. Number 8. Nose as a third eye. A dog's sense of smell is thousands of times more sensitive than ours, enabling them to detect odors in tiny concentrations. This ability makes them excellent at tasks such as search and rescue, detecting drugs, and even diagnosing diseases in humans. Studies reveal that dogs can identify certain types of cancer and predict epileptic seizures through smell. The structure of a dog's nose, equipped with millions of olfactory receptors, is the key to this incredible sensitivity. Number 9. Reading human emotions. Dogs are true experts at interpreting our emotions. Research shows that they can identify facial expressions and emotional states like happiness, sadness, or stress, adjusting their behavior accordingly. This empathy strengthens the bond between humans and dogs, making them loyal and understanding companions. Studies indicate that the release of hormones such as oxytocin during positive interactions reinforces this emotional connection. Have you ever noticed how your dog reacts differently when you're happy or sad? Number 10. Sensitivity to vibrations. Dogs are extremely sensitive to vibrations on the ground, allowing them to detect approaching footsteps or even earthquakes before they occur. This sensitivity is one of the reasons they react so quickly to unexpected situations, such as storms or other natural events. Additionally, this skill helps them sense the presence of people or animals even when they are out of sight. Research suggests that dogs have a highly developed vestibular system responsible for balance and vibration perception, enabling them to detect subtle environmental changes. Have you ever imagined what it's like to feel every vibration around you? Number 11. Detecting infrasound. Dogs can also detect infrasound, which are low-frequency sounds that we barely notice. These sounds may be produced by natural events like storms or by machinery and vehicles, making dogs sensitive to subtle environmental changes. Research indicates that detecting infrasound allows dogs to sense seismic waves before humans do, contributing to early reactions to earthquakes. This sensitivity can also help in detecting human activities, such as approaching heavy vehicles or operating machinery, enabling dogs to adjust their behavior accordingly. Number 12. Navigating Earth's magnetic field. Recent studies suggest that dogs can orient themselves using Earth's magnetic field, similar to how migratory birds navigate. This magnetic sense helps them find their way back home, even in unfamiliar or complex environments. Research indicates that structures in a dog's brain, possibly connected to the hypothalamus, detect variations in the magnetic field, acting as an internal compass. Have you ever wondered how they always seem to find their way back after a long walk? Number 13. Ability to hear ultrasounds. In addition to hearing high frequencies, dogs can perceive ultrasounds, which are sounds with even higher frequencies than humans can detect. This ability is used in some breeds for communication and alertness, allowing them to respond to commands and signals we can't perceive. For example, trainers and owners can use devices emitting ultrasounds to get a dog's attention without disturbing the environment or other people. This skill also aids in detecting small prey that emit high-frequency sounds, enhancing efficiency in hunting and territory protection. Number 14. A unique perception of the environment. Dogs combine all these sensory abilities to have a perception of their surroundings that is unique and much richer than ours. They efficiently integrate information from different senses, providing a deeper understanding of the world around them. This enhanced perception makes them such special companions, capable of detecting subtle environmental changes and reacting adaptively. For instance, a dog can sense the presence of an unfamiliar person before they even come into view, thanks to the combination of their sharp sense of smell, refined hearing, and sensitivity to vibrations. Research indicates that this sensory integration is linked to specific areas in a dog's brain that process and combine information from multiple senses to create a complete and detailed view of their environment. Now, do you know why your dog always wants to sleep with you? In this video on the screen, I talk exactly about that. I explain the reasons your dog wants to sleep with you that no one tells you. Click on the screen and keep exploring the amazing world of dogs with me.